Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you some more fun stuff that I got from PoundToy.com. So I got some Christmas stuff and these were a penny each from PoundToy's penny deals. This Santa letter set comes with some fun stationery and festive stickers. This scratch art kit comes with a scratch board, a scratch tool and a stencil. And this colouring book has cute Christmas designs and foil pages. Next I have this advent calendar. It has a Paw Patrol design with 24 Kinderton chocolates inside. I also got some dolls. This one is a mum-to-be doll and she comes with a little girl and a baby. The doll has a removable stomach and the baby can be easily placed inside the stomach. The set also comes with some accessories including a bag, a pushchair and a baby walker. Next I have these frozen mini dolls. The set comes with 3 of the main characters, Elsa, Anna and Olaf, and what's really special about these dolls is that they magically light up when you blow onto them. I also got 3 Disney princess dolls. Cinderella comes with a mouse and a pumpkin. Ariel comes with a seahorse and a starfish. And Snow White comes with a deer and a pie. The dolls are super cute and detailed, and what's great about these is that you can mix and match their dresses and accessories. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments what you thought of today's unboxing, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys, bye!